up, it's the secret sauce.
And secret sauce is, hey, what advice do you have, or maybe what's something that's working in your business right now that maybe other owners can implement to help them improve their businesses?
Just focus on the customer experience. Like, make your decisions based on what the customer experience is. That's what the root of everything. And at least I mean, I consider it. I think, you could argue, like, we'll take example, the people that, my pricing is set, with nines in the last digit, and we sell cards in whole dollar values. And there's one gentleman that was very mad that, there was 46 cents left on his card that he couldn't spend. But, the conscious decision was, we could provide a better experience by having a card-based store. So I would just say, in general, just look at everything you do and decide if that's the customer experience that you want. Like, it doesn't often cost that much, but just if you focus on the customer experience, usually good things are going to follow.
Yeah, great advice. And I mean, that feels obvious, right?
It does.
But it's not obvious. Like, we've all been to enough laundromats to know that either it's not obvious or people aren't willing to put in the effort and the work that it takes to create a good experience. Because it does take some effort. It does take some work. It does take some planning and some thought, and some leadership skills, and sometimes some leadership skills leading people, on things you don't know anything about yet, and so it does take some work to do that. However, the payoff is, so much higher than not focusing on the customer experience.
Yeah. I mean, I couldn't charge the prices I did if I didn't, like, that's my differentiator. That's kind of what you say warrants the incremental price and value above, right? It's just, that's fine. Yeah. That's like I said, it's simple, but kind of like a lot of stuff in this industry, like, it is simple, but execution is hard, right? Sometimes it's hard to stick to your guns, and it's hard to see it through, or it's hard to deal with the hiccups that come along the way. But, it's not that the customer experience is not rocket science. There are enough companies in all sorts of industries out there right now that are differentiating themselves on customer experience that, in your immediate neighborhood, there's probably someone you can go steal an idea from today.
There's your secret sauce. Go steal an idea from another company.
Yes.
Love
Leverage, it. Right? Like,
love it.
On it, like, make it better. But yeah, it's just like, like I said, I don't know how much original thought is in the components of my entire store, but I feel like I combined them in a way that may be a little different.
Yeah, no, it's great. And just to clarify, I don't think Brian is recommending you go steal an ATM out of another store and put it in your store to have a better experience. I don't want to put words in your mouth, but
those people it sounds like those people have enough folks trying to steal their ATMs.
Yeah. Steal ideas, not things. Ideas. Somebody should make a shirt that says that: steal ideas, not things. Maybe I'll make it. I would wear that. Okay.